If you're a fan of our vlog, you'll know that I am obsessed with my pets. And so I wanted to come up with something fun that I could do weekly where I can bond with my pets and then hopefully share that special time with you guys. So today we are making a healthy peanut butter and pumpkin cookie for our dogs. Who knows what next week will bring? Please let us know if you have any ideas. If you have cats, maybe there's something that you want for cats, a special little treat. Most importantly, help us find a name for this little portion of our vlog. We have a couple ideas. Let's take a vote, and if you have a different idea, fill us in. We'd love to know.
But Peter, how do we get to Neverland?
What's up, everyone? Charlie and I wanted to say hey. On Fridays, we wanted to come up with something special for you. We thought we'd create our own little something, but we need your help. We need to know what to call it. Charlie was thinking Potastic Friday. What do you guys think? Calvin said he wanted Totally Possum Fridays, yo. Boo Boo likes. What do you like, Boo Boo? She wants it to be Fuzzy Friend Friday. Fun with your fuzzy friends Friday? That's a lot of F's. You sure you want that? Party on Garth. Well, that doesn't work either. Do you like Fuzzy Friend Fridays? Rudy wants Fuzzy Friend Fridays. The goal is to reach out to the viewers who are interested in animals, want to spend more time with their animal, try to find fun, easy, quick ways to bond with your pet, or just make their life a little bit more exciting. We all have busy lifestyles, which in my opinion makes things a lot harder when it comes to spending quality time with your pet or even your own family members. And the sad news is that your pet waits all day long for you to get home, and sometimes we just don't have time to even give them a good hello. So today I'm gonna make some dog treats. Let's make that happen. I'll teach you what to do. Only 3 key ingredients, super easy. Let's go. Excuse you. The original recipe didn't really say anything about flour, but then when I delved into the article a little bit more, it needs flour. So they asked for, oh my gosh, they asked for oat flour, and I didn't have that, but I did have rice flour, and I looked online, and that is good for dogs, especially if they have a problem with like wheat and all that good stuff. So you need 1 3/4 cup of that stuff. So oat flour, if you have that, or rice flour will also work. Okay, awesome, here we go, huh? All right, Savvy, let's mix it up. He cannot wait. See, this is definitely beneficial. Spilling things. All right, here we go. This is at medium speed. Savage really wants to help. These treats last a few days to a week. They're super easy to make, and my dogs loved them, especially Savage. And Charlie's super picky, and he actually loved them too. So give it a try and let us know what you guys think. Let me know what your dogs thought. Did they love them? Post below, and we appreciate your support. Thanks so much.